Bad. Yes, good evening all. Yesterday we have seen the question, like a statistics concept, like a theory part. So today we'll discuss the questions. Okay, we'll discuss the questions. Many of you didn't join. Let me just drop a message in the group. Yes, have you revised your class notes, yesterday's notes? How many of you revised? Children, how many of you have revised yesterday?
Sir, I didn't. I have exam today.
Acha, you had.
Same, sir. I had exam today.
What about others?
Me too, sir. I had to have an exam.
Girls? Girls, Diksha, are you here? Amrita? Amrita, are you here?
Yes, sir. I didn't
Why?
revise.
Why you didn't? भूल गई. Have forgot और असल क्या बोलते हैं, वो सोच ही नहीं आया कि हम लोग रिवाइज करना है. Tell me what is the, see, genuinely you can just tell me. I need a genuine answer.
Sir, I was reading for this term one maths.
अच्छा, so that is what I'm saying. You didn't even get an idea that we have to revise. ऐसा भूल ही गए ना, क्लास हो गया तो हाँ चलो यार छोड़ दीजिए, हम लोग दूसरा कुछ काम भी कुछ भी दूसरा काम कर लेंगे. Might be
Sir, I think statistics is not there for term 1.
not term one. We are talking about term 2 syllabus. Term 1 is not there. I know that. This is term 2 syllabus. We started with the term 2. Then term 2 तो भी खत्म करना पड़ेगा ना?
Sir, I have maths pre-board day after tomorrow.
Yes, that is fine. That is that. And see, I'm again and again telling you, see, term 1 is term 1, term 2 is term 2. So don't compare the term 1 and term 2. सर ने पढ़ा रहा है term 2, मगर हमारा term 1 exam ही नहीं खत्म हुआ है. See, still I'm telling you, from term 1, if you need any kind of in group also, Manoj sir has been posting the messages that if you have any help for term 1, we are ready to take an extra classes.
Sir, tomorrow can we take an extra class?
Definitely, it is not that, you tell me what is your doubts.
Sir, in few chapters I have what topic doubts.
Okay, what are they? You discuss here so that we can come across everyone's opinion, so that we can understand whether they are also having doubt in that particular topic or not. If we have, so definitely we'll go ahead with that. See, there is no particular thing that we cannot have the class. Definitely we'll have. Bataiye, what about others?
Sir, I have doubts in coordinate geometry and area related to circles.
Okay.
Sir, I'm not very sure about circles.
You're not very sure about circles. What about others?
The circles.
Sir, in the circles, can we take the concept of sectors and segments?
Definitely. And what about others? Everyone, see, everyone should respond here. Everyone should put your opinions so that we can come across all that stuff, and we can just go through that. What kind of what sort of doubts you have, so that I can understand and we can plan accordingly which class when to have, something like that.
Sir, even in trigonometry MCQs, can we do?
Okay, trigonometry, I think you asked a couple of days back, we cleared. And yes, do you have any other doubts in that again?
No, sir.
No, I mean, like you asked a couple of days back trigonometry. I cleared. You told that we clear.
Yes, sir. That was about the table, sir.
Acha, table. Okay, okay. Then apart from that, you have one more doubt. No problem. We'll go with that. What is that? Can you please tell me?
Sir, few MCQs, sir, because last time also because of MCQs
Okay,
of
okay, okay.
trigonometry, I lost few marks.
Okay, 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 okay. We'll go through that. We'll go through that. No problem. No problem.
Confusing.
Confusing. Okay. And what about others, girls? Make it fast. See here, this is the only thing. This is the only time where I can talk to each and everyone at a time and get to know your opinions. So if you are out of the class, I can talk. I can't message individually, personally, that whether you have doubt or not. बताइए मुझे. I can't request like that, isn't it? So this is the thing where this is the time where I can ask everyone at a time. So when एक बार बोल दिया तो सबको एक बार that voice will deliver to everyone, right? So you must tell that what are the doubts you have. बताइए जल्दी से. Girls are here.
Sir, can you explain area related to circle? Just this topic.
Areas related to circles. Okay. What about others? Okay, areas related to circles you have. Any other topics? From term one. Term one, when is your exam? December 3, if I'm not wrong.
27th.
Term one, final exam.
Sir, December 27th.
I'm sorry, December 27.
I mean November 27th. November.
Term one final exam you're talking about?
Yes, sir. Term 1 final November
Sir,
27th.
November
So
27.
the term one exams will start from November 30. That is with English.
No, I'm asking about बेटा मैंने मैथ्स के एग्जाम के बारे में. मैथ्स का एग्जाम दिसंबर 3 को है ना? I'm talking about maths
Yes,
exam
sir.
date.
Sir, it's December 4, I guess.
Yeah, December 4 or 3 ऐसा कुछ करके है. I'm asking about that.
Sir, it's December 4th.
December 4th. Good. देखो December 4th को हमारा एग्जाम है. December 6th को 11th 12th स्टैंडर्ड का एग्जाम है. December 4th is for class 10th. December 6th is for class 12th final exam. So I'm asking you guys that if you have any doubts from that, so you can just ask me. From the term one point of view, I'm talking about. Term one is very important for you all right now. Why? Because you are going to write the exam in term one, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. बताइए मुझे. Any doubts? Like areas related to circles you told. Okay, fine. Trigonometry you told. Okay, fine. And which chapter you told again? Yes, these were the two topics. Apart from this, okay, look at this. Let me show the syllabus to you all so that हम लोग का भी. Am I recording, children? Yes, I'm recording. So let me share the screen with you all. Yes. Yes. Guys, are you able to solve the MCQs of the topics? Are you people able to solve the MCQs of the topics? Everyone.
Yes, sir. We
Look at
are.
this here. Real number we have. Do you have any doubts in real numbers? Polynomials, pair of linear equations in two variables, coordinate geometry. Yes, someone of you asked coordinate geometry as well. Definitely we'll go through that. And coming to the geometry, triangles, introduction to trigonometry, areas related to circles, and probability. Yes, so these are the topics which you are going to which you are going to see in your term one paper. So yes, so circles, areas related to circles, many of you are asking. Fine. One topic, trigonometry. Yes. Two. and coordinate geometry. What is that? Coordinate geometry. Okay. And yes, so these are the three topics. Tell me, which topic today shall we discuss? See, today I'm not going to discuss that. Sorry, in extra class. In extra class, probably extra class would be Friday. Friday not. Probably tomorrow. Tomorrow, not tomorrow. Okay, no problem. So this session itself will make, I don't think so that tomorrow it's possible for me. We'll do one thing. Today is a common class, right? So today we'll go with, I think count is also like, many of you are absent. So we'll try to make your doubt session today. And next class we'll go with, statistics problems. Guys, ultimate aim is that you have to clear with your concepts. Okay. Yes, areas related circles में problem क्या है? What is the problem in areas related circle? Which is what kind of questions?
So the sector and segment questions.
अच्छा, sector and segment question. Yes, बताइए. Yes. What about others? Yes, Sira Yogesh has asked. Ashish has asked. Tushar. Yes.
Sir, sector and segment, sir. Areas of sector and segment of sir.
Okay. Anything else apart from that?
No, sir.
Not in areas of circle, sir.
Sir, in the chapter pair of linear equations, can you explain the river problems?
River problems. Okay.
Yes, sir. Water going upstream and downstream.
अच्छा, boat stream problems.
Yes, sir.
Definitely. We'll take one by one. See, all these questions are your statistics questions. Okay. So, statistics we'll do it later, since many of you are absent today. Okay, बताइए which one? Areas related to circle. What is the sector and segment? हाँ, मुझे बताइए. Look at this here. First, everyone try to understand what is sector and what is segment. मुझे बताइए segment का मतलब क्या होता है, sector का मतलब क्या होता है? First, you should know that the basic thing. Look at it here. This is my circle, ठीक है? देखो, this is my circles. This is, what is this? This is my chord, ठीक है? This is my chord here, okay? This is my chord. This is my center. Here also my center, ठीक है? देखो बेटा, ये होता है, ये जो रीजन है ना, ये होता है मेरा, क्या होता है? Segment. ये what is this? ये मेरा AB. What is AB here? AB is a chord, not curd. Chord. देखो, chord क्या होता है? The region between the curve and the chord. Whatever the region between the chord and that particular curve है ना, दोनों के बीच में जो स्पेस होता है उसको बोलता है, क्या बोलता है उसको? सेगमेंट. लाइन सेगमेंट तरह, ठीक है? हाँ, सेक्टर का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो, ये होगा मेरा माइनर सेगमेंट. ये माइनर सेगमेंट हो गया, जो बाकी वाला है ना वो मेजर सेगमेंट हो गया. आया समझ? वेरी सिंपल, कॉमन सेंस. छोटा वाला को माइनर बोलता है, बड़ा वाला को मेजर बोलता है। देखो सेक्टर का मतलब क्या होता है, सेक्टर ये हो गया मेरा सेगमेंट, ठीक है। हाँ, सेक्टर का मतलब क्या होता है, देखो कुछ भी, कोई भी एक कर्व उठा लो, देखो सेक्टर, whenever you are talking about sector you will be talking about radius, two radiuses will be there, two radiuses which means radii। so देखो मेरा ये एक रेडिया है, ये भी एक रेडिया है, ठीक है। ये दोनों को बीच में स्पेस होता है, दिस स्पेस इज कॉल्ड एज सेक्टर, ठीक है। ये क्या होता है मेरा माइनर सेक्टर, छोटा वाला स्पेस है ना माइनर सेक्टर, ये जो बड़ा वाला है ना दिस इज माई मेजर सेक्टर। ऑलराइट, सो व्हाट इज दिस, ये मेरा क्या है, सेंटर है। ये मेरा कुछ भी एक पॉइंट ले लो ए, कुछ भी एक पॉइंट ले लो बी, व्हाट इज ओ ए ओ बी हियर, रेडियस। ऑलराइट, सो ये जो स्पेस है ना ग्रीन वाला, ग्रीन शेडेड पार्ट, दैट इज व्हाट माई, एक मिनट, दैट इज व्हाट माई माइनर सेक्टर। बाकी वाला जो भी है वो मेजर सेक्टर। ये इतना समझ में आ गया गाइस, हैव यू गॉट एन आइडिया, क्लियर
Yes,
आइडिया?
sir.
Yes. Now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me what to do now. Now what shall we do? Tell me. Concept.
Yes, sir.
I'll give the questions to you now. Let's see. Mm, you see, you people, you might be having doubts in questions, right? You tell me. Can you please tell me the questions so that we can go through that? Okay. मेरे पास, I'll give a question. You also just give your questions. मेरे पास एक क्वेश्चन है, देखो क्वेश्चन इज find the area of the sector, can you hear my voice clearly, of a circle with a radius, people can you hear my voice clearly, of
Yes.
Yes, sir.
4 centimeters and of an angle 30 degrees, also you need to find the area of the corresponding मेजर सेक्टर, ठीक है। हाँ, इसका आंसर बताइए। तो फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर ऑफ ए सर्किल विथ रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर्स and the angle 30 centimeter, I mean 30 degrees. Also find the area of the corresponding major sector, minor sector and major sector। देखो मेरे पास देखो एक सर्किल है, देखो दिस इज माय सर्किल, लेट्स से दैट दिस इज माय सर्किल, ठीक है। तो मेरे पास देखो क्या होगा, दिस इज माय सेंटर, ठीक है। he has given area of circle sector of a circle with radius 4 सेंटीमीटर। तो रेडियस कितना दिया है इधर, 4 सेंटीमीटर, मतलब देखो ये मेरा हो गया, ठीक है। कुछ भी दो पॉइंट्स ए एंड बी, ओ ए इज 4 सेंटीमीटर, ओ बी इज आल्सो 4 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है। दोनों को बीच में एंगल कितना दिया है, 30 डिग्रीज। यस और नो, इज इट क्लियर विद एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
जो मेकिंग द डायग्राम, yes so this is what the diagram is all about. So what we have to find out, find the area of the sector of a circle with a radius 4 centimeter and the angle 30, also find the area, find the area of the corresponding major sector। major sector कौन सा होता है, जो बाहर वाला येलो शेडेड, देखो मैंने येलो शेडेड, दिस पार्ट इज माय मेजर सेक्टर, ठीक है। जो बाहर वाला जो भी है दिस इज माय मेजर सेक्टर, जो ब्लू कलर अंदर वाला है ना दैट इज व्हाट माय माइनर सेक्टर। Hope it is clear. So, guys, sometimes I'll be talking in, sometimes I'll be talking in Hindi. So everyone is comfortable with Hindi and English, I think so. Is there any child that
Yes, sir.
that kind of language barrier has? Do you have that language barrier? Is there anyone, some guys here? Anyone is here that? Okay. Okay. Yes. Children, 1 second. I think it's gone. Don't know. Suddenly it got disconnected. And can you hear me now? Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes. Guys, what is the formula for area of a sector? Major sector. हमको पता है direct formula. We know that area of
We have
yes
16 to power.
yes. Tell me, beta, what you are saying? Major sector. What is it?
Theta by 360 into pi r square.
360 minus theta into, sorry, not into, 360 minus theta divided by 360. ठीक है, into pi r square.
Sir,
Are you sharing the screen, sir?
sir, we are not able to see your screen, sir.
Oh, I think I'm not sharing the screen. I'm sharing a house. I was sharing the screen, but okay. Now I think I'm sharing the screen, guys. 1 second. Why it's not happening? Okay, 1 second. Let me reshare.
Says you have started, but it's not, sir.
Yes. Now look at this here. 360 by theta divided by 360 into pi r square. This is what my area of the major sector formula. ठीक है, तो थीटा क्या है? We know here given r
30, sir.
values 4 centimeters and theta value 30 degrees. इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. इतना आपको नहीं आता है क्या? करेंगे ना? You can substitute, right? 360 minus 30 divided by 360.
Sir, still not able to see, sir.
Everyone, can you able to see what? Children, can you see the screen now? Can you see the screen now? Hello? Can you all hear my voice? Hello? Children, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, we can hear you.
Don't know, there was a issue, internet. Yes, can you see the screen? Can you all see the screen? Hello?
Hello, yes, sir.
yes.
Can you all see the screen? $330 divided by 360 into 3.14 into 16. Or else you just cancel here itself 4 into 4. Children, are you here? Yes. Children, can you hear my voice? Can you see the screen? Hello? Can you hear my voice? Can you see the screen? Can you hear me? Hello. Children, can you hear me? Children, can you hear me? Children, can you hear my voice? Hello.